my channel. Today we are going to paint second part of the series, that is Brahmacharini, where the Parvati is considered as the simplest form of her avatars. Then why to wait? Just trust me and hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and get the notification whenever I upload. So let's get back to the painting. Well, if you haven't watched the yesterday's painting, then make sure you watch it. I just understand why I am making it very simple and easy to begin with.
As per the Hindu mythology, second form of Parvati represents schooling, where she was also a student in Gurukulas. Hence we are going to make her portrait very simple. So I started with flesh tint. The whole face I will add the flesh tint and I will continue with the dark shades. I prefer to add little bit of yellow touch as well, so I just added yellow as a shade. Drawing part of Devi Parvati is very simple here. I just taken the techniques from Buddha paintings, where Buddha was doing dhyana and all. So similar way, here I am representing Parvati doing dhyana. Parvati is also devotee of Mahadeva, that's why I added Rudraksha Mala here. So to create that Rudraksha Mala, we will start with the darker shade. I used burnt amber and lightly I mixed the water and created round shaped Rudraksha Mala. Since we are doing 3D structure here, we have to look into the direction of lights and shades and everything. Let's finish the first layer, then we will add the details. Painting a lotus flower makes it very peaceful, so just add lotus flower if possible, or you can add any other flowers as well. Devi Brahmacharini's color is orange, so I just started adding orange shade here. So lightly mixed with yellow, from the darker shade to lighter shade. Let's add the background first, then we will go for hair. Yesterday I started with dark shade to light shade, so today I took light shade to darker one. If you are enjoying this process, please make sure to like the video and help me to reach many. Let's add some details on Rudraksha Mala. So I took yellow and flesh tint and I just started painting with the dots. Not everywhere, where the highlights are needed, make sure you use the light colors and little transitional colors in the background. Work on shadows and other details wherever it is necessary. blend if it is needed. I thought of finishing it first, but then later I realized very simple it became. So I planned to add some more shades and flowers. So I used my abstract structures technique here to create 3D flowers on the same picture. There is a tip. You can see saree color and the flower color is same, almost same. So I took pink also as a shade, and I will also create some shadow behind the flower to separate the saree from flowers. So you can use burnt umber as well or any other colors. Add second layer on the hair to make it realistic. I did little mess when I started creating shadows, so I thought of piercing both the way. So I added nose ring right side as well.